Can you actually hypnotize yourself to make more money? The quick answer is yes, but probably not for the reasons that you think. Hypnosis isn't about closing your eyes and making money magically appear out of thin air. It is about changing the way your subconscious mind thinks about money so that you begin making different decisions, so that you begin noticing new opportunities that you might have missed before. And it makes taking the kinds of actions that you would need to take that is going to lead to more money, more natural, easier, more obvious to you. So that's what I'm going to show you exactly how to do today. I'm going to teach you a very simple self-hypnosis exercise that you can do in just a few minutes every morning and every night. I've been teaching this technique to thousands of people over the years. It's not magic, but it is super powerful. So let's begin. But first, hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, master hypnotherapist, best-selling author of the book Practical Law of Attraction, the creator of the Believe app, which has over 1,000 self-hypnosis sessions, and the founder of Manifestation Mastery on Skool. And for over 27 years, I've been helping people to reprogram their subconscious mind so that they can create more business success, confidence, and yes, more financial freedom and abundance. So one of the biggest misconceptions about hypnosis is that it somehow causes things to happen without you doing anything. And that's not how hypnosis works. Hypnosis helps you to change all of your automatic thoughts, your beliefs about money, your expectations, your automatic habits, and your behaviors. And when you change those things, then your results begin to change too. So if you've ever wondered whether you can actually use self-hypnosis to make more money, yes, the truth is you absolutely can. So let me show you exactly what to do. The very first step to doing this is to decide exactly how much money you want to earn. All right, a lot of people say more or enough, but I want you to think about the actual number. Maybe it's $10,000 a month, maybe it's $20,000 a month, maybe it's $100,000 a year. Whatever your goal is, write it down. And then I want you to break that number down into smaller numbers. So if your goal is 120,000 a year, that's about 10,000 each month. That's about 2,300 each week. And it's just $330 a day. So why do we want to do that? Well, because we want to get your subconscious mind to be able to grasp the that this is actually possible for you. And it works much better too when you have extremely clear instructions rather than vague wishes. It's much harder to think in terms of 120,000 a year than it is to think in terms of, a few $100s a day. And the other part of it is, if I asked you to drive somewhere nice, where would you go? You wouldn't know. But if I gave you a very specific address, then you would know exactly where to go. And your financial goals work exactly the same way. You need to tell your subconscious mind exactly what to do. And the clearer the destination, the easier it is for you to move forward with that. So that is the very, very first step, is to decide, write it down, be very clear about the amount. Then I want you just to create a very simple affirmation. It doesn't have to be very long. As a matter of fact, the shorter it is, the better it works. Simply say something along the lines of, and this is, Bob Proctor talked about, I am so happy and grateful now that I am earning. And this is a very powerful, simple statement. So I'm so happy and grateful that I'm now earning, and then just insert the monthly income goal. So happy and grateful that I'm now earning $10,000 every month doing work I love. That would be an amazing one, because Here's the thing, the subconscious mind can be a little tricky, and sometimes it can help you to achieve your goals in ways that maybe you would not want to. Maybe you would find a new job that you didn't really like, or, maybe it would just come to you in a way that isn't really the best way. So you really want to try to be specific, not really dictating the exact how. Like, you want to be doing work that you love, right? That is, but it's leaving the door open for the specific work. So sometimes people get extremely specific about the exact job that they want, or the exact career, the exact way that it's going to come about, and then that can be a blocker. So it's really simple, really specific, present tense, and then this is where the hypnosis part begins. Once you have written down your statement, now what I want you to do is tomorrow morning, when you first, wake up, before you check your email, before you start scrolling social media, before you start thinking about the news, before you start getting ready for the day, all I want you to do is just stay in bed for just a little bit longer. Maybe just prop yourself up a little bit, sit comfortably for a few minutes, take a slow, deep breath, and then exhale slowly, and then breathe in and breathe out. And just allow your shoulders to relax, allow your jaw to soften. Just become really still, and then begin repeating your affirmation slowly, comfortably, maybe about 5 or 10 times. Don't rush it. Allow yourself to hear yourself saying every word. And as you repeat the affirmation, imagine those words settling deeply into your subconscious mind, just like you are planting a seed into fertile soil. This isn't about convincing yourself. This is about becoming familiar with a new possibility. Now, while you're repeating your affirmation, you're going to create a movie inside of your mind. Just imagine yourself opening your banking app, seeing the balance, noticing the number. Imagine hearing the sound of payment notifications. Cha-ching! Maybe someone purchased your course. Maybe a coaching client paid for their invoice. Maybe a new customer signed up. Whatever best fits your business. See it. Notice every detail, notice the colors, notice the numbers, and notice the smile on your face. And imagine saying to yourself, this is working. And allow yourself to experience that moment as though it is happening right now. Feel it. Move beyond the money, because the money is rarely the real goal. What changes for you because of the fact that you have this income? Are you feeling lighter? Are you feeling freer? Are you feeling more calm? Are you feeling more confident? Do you finally stop worrying every time you open your bank account? Do you get to hire help for your business? Do you get to spend more time with your family? Do you get to take that vacation that you've been putting off? Do you get to give generously? Do you get to invest in yourself? Just spend a few moments experiencing those feelings. Your subconscious mind responds best to emotion. So the stronger the feeling, the stronger the impression that you are creating. So why does this work? What is happening inside of your brain? Every single day, without you realizing it, you are surrounded by opportunities everywhere, by good ideas, by people that could help you, by conversations that you may not be in touch with, by potential clients. But your brain simply can't pay attention to everything. It has a filter. It filters almost everything out of your awareness. But when you repeatedly focus on a specific outcome, then your brain starts to align with those opportunities, and it starts to get really, really connected and zoned in and focused on that goal. It's like when you are about to buy a new car. You never really thought about that car until you decided that that's the car for you. And then now you suddenly notice that same car everywhere. That car didn't just suddenly appear out of nowhere. What happened is your attention changed. And that same thing happens when you get crystal clear about your income goal. You start actually noticing all the possibilities that have been there all along. And hypnosis also helps to reduce any of that mental chatter that keeps people stuck, all the self-doubt, all the limiting beliefs, all the fear of doing what you need to do, charging what you're worth, fear of being more visible, fear of rejection. And as those things begin to change, then your behavior naturally changes too. You become the person who naturally attracts that kind of money. And it's different behaviors that ultimately create your results. So here's what happens next. Your subconscious mind is going to start working with you instead of against you. All this time, it's been working to bring you whatever you have been filtering for, whatever you've been talking about, whatever you've been focused on, right? And so now you're focused on a new reality, and the hypnosis is helping you to stay focused on that reality. So after your self-hypnosis session each morning, just ask yourself the question, what is the one thing that I can do today that's going to move me closer to my income goal? Just one thing. Maybe it's recording a YouTube video. Maybe it's reaching out to a potential client. Maybe it's following up with someone. Maybe it's improving your website. Maybe it's making an offer. Maybe it's taking one meaningful action, whatever it is, every single day. And then do it. Because when your subconscious mind and your daily actions are moving in the same direction, we call this alignment, then great things are about to happen for you. So here is your routine. Every morning, repeat your affirmation, visualize your goal, feel the emotions, take one meaningful action, then do it again before you go to sleep at night. Repeat the affirmation again, replay your visualization, and allow your subconscious mind to continue working while you sleep. Just takes a few minutes a day, but over time, those minutes are gonna begin to change the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you show up every single day. So, can you hypnotize yourself to make more money? Absolutely. But it's not because hypnosis is magically going to insert $100 bills into your wallet. It's because it changes you, the wiring inside of you, the person who's creating the money. It's going to change your thinking. It's going to help you to feel confident. It's going to change what you expect. It's going to change your habits and ultimately your actions. And that is where lasting success begins. So now, if you're ready to go beyond today's exercise, then I'd love to be able to personally guide you through this. So inside Manifestation Mastery, you can begin with my free 7-day trial. And one of the very first things you experience during that is the 7-day manifestation challenge. Every day, you're going to receive a simple lesson and a practical exercise that's designed to help you to reprogram your subconscious mind, create momentum, and start applying manifestation in a way that is grounded, practical, and results focused. So if you are ready to stop hoping that things are going to change and start really training your mind for success, then go ahead and click the first link in the description. Start your 7-day free trial today. And before you go, I'd really love to hear from you. What is your monthly income goal? Leave the exact number in the comments below, and I cannot wait to celebrate your success. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you inside Manifestation Mastery.